Hi and welcome back. In this lesson, we will create a project which we're going to use in all the lessons of this section. So we create a folder called Canvas. Open the folder in Visual Studio Code. Then we create an index.html file and a folder called CSS. Inside of this folder, we create a file called style.css. Also, we have to create a folder called JS. Inside of this folder, we create a file called script.js. Now let's create the basic structure of a web page. Let's change the title to Canvas. Then we connect the style.css file. And before the closing body tag, we connect the script.js file. As I've already mentioned in the previous lesson, we need to create a tag called Canvas. This tag must have at least 3 attributes, so we add an ID name to this tag. Let's call it myCanvas. The second attribute is the width of the canvas. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that in this case, we must specify the width with the help of the attribute. Because if you set the width with the help of CSS, you will see that all the figures will not take the right place. Let's set 1000 for the width. We must also specify the height with the help of the attribute. Let's set 600 for the height. Save it. And let's open the page with Google Chrome. And we see nothing on the web page. Because as I've already mentioned in the previous lesson, the canvas tag, similarly to the div tag, by default doesn't have any borders, background, and so on. So to make the canvas tag visible on the web page, we need to set some CSS styles. For the ID name myCanvas, we set border 2 pixels solid, and then this color. As a result, now we see the borders of our canvas. Let's also center align it. In this case, we cannot apply margin 0 auto. It will not work. Because the canvas tag has to be center aligned as if it is the IMG tag. In other words, we need to center align the canvas tag as we do it for inline elements. As you can see, the canvas tag is stored inside of the body tag. That's why we need to specify the CSS styles for the body tag. So we set text align center. Great, exactly what we need. Alright, that's all for this lesson. In the next one, we will learn how to draw our first figure on the canvas. So go to the next lesson, I'm already waiting for you there.